Hello friends, in this video we are going to use the Laravel. Previously we are using the Jetstream. Now we are going to use the Laravel package Breeze. So let's start login and registration using Laravel Breeze. So I'm going to create a new project with Laravel Breeze. So let's go to the terminal and install this Composer require Laravel Breeze. I'm going to install this. So I'm installing the Laravel Breeze package to the. So the Laravel is installing new Laravel. Now we are going to use the installation of Breeze. This is done. Let's paste this. Composer required file. Okay. So let's going to use. Okay. So I'm going to install the Laravel Breeze. So everything is done now. I think I have installed on my another system. I guess. Let me check. HTML. Okay, the vendor folder is installed over here. Let me go to the Breeze module because we need to go to the Breeze module, cp Breeze, and here we need to add. So here we need to install. Installation done. Let's create the localhost localhost php myadmin. Now we are going to create a new database that is Breeze. So this is done. Let's go to the env file. Come to the come to the HTML Breeze. Control H. Here we have env file. Let's use the db. Now this is Breeze. Uh, uh, this is my username and add your password. Added. Okay. So let me add this. This is done. So let's move to the next step. What we have. Install the Breeze. It says Laravel could not be opened. Okay, fine. Let's take the permissions. So I'm adding the permissions. Okay, let's go to the Breeze module and now going to add the installation. Please execute npm run to command to build your assets. Okay, so this is installed. Now we are going to run this command. Copy, paste, installation. So this is done. Building your assets and everything. See, Laravel makes build successful. Let's run PHP artisan migrate. PHP artisan migrate database already I have set up. Now we are going to run PHP artisan migrate. All tables are run. Now we are going to PHP artisan serve to run the module. Let's paste this and we are going to copy the link and let's check how it works. See, everything is working now. Like, go to login. Previously we have something ball type. Now it's something like different. I'm going to create a new user right now. So forget, let's go to the dashboard. I'm going to register my previous email. So see, right now it's simple like this. My account part is not there, but in that portion my account is there. We can delete the account, we can enable the registration factor on all. So this is the simplest one, and you can customize this accordingly. Okay, so this is the Laravel Breeze. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.